Are you ready to incorporate an LLC in Florida, but unsure where to begin? You're in the right place. Today, you'll learn the most common ways to start and form your business, the correct forms you'll need for your Florida LLC, business naming requirements, documents, and other important tips. And as a bonus, later on, I'll reveal the best registered agent for Florida who will help set up your LLC for free. So make sure to stick with me until the end. Florida LLCs are cost-effective and easy to set up. There are 3 main ways to start an LLC in Florida. 1. DIY. Do it yourself. Use the Florida Division of Corporations website for guidance. 2. Professional service. Offers more efficiency and security. 3. Hiring an attorney. Very expensive and usually unnecessary for most business owners. For this video, we'll focus on today's first 2 options. Steps required for starting your LLC in Florida. Step 1. Name your business. The first step is naming your LLC. Each LLC in Florida must have a name that is not currently used. The name must include Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation like LLC, and it cannot include terms like corporation. To check if your business name is available, visit the Florida Division of Corporations website and use the name search tool. Typing your business name will give you a list of existing business names. A unique business name will say no matches found. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Florida requires LLCs to have a registered agent with a physical address. This agent receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC. While you can serve as your agent or use a family member or friend as your registered agent, I recommend hiring a professional registered agent for added security, privacy, and peace of mind. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer this service for free for the first year and handle all your legal documents on your behalf. I use a registered agent because I do not have the time to manage legal documents, meet schedules, file reports, and gather paperwork for my LLC. I can sleep at night knowing my business is in good standing. Step 3. File your Florida Articles of Organization. Next, file the Articles of Organization with the Florida Division of Corporations. This can be done online or by mail, and the filing fee is $125 for domestic LLCs. The process typically takes a few days to complete. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. While not required by Florida law, having an operating agreement is a good idea, especially if your LLC has multiple members. This document outlines how your LLC will handle major issues like profits and losses, membership interests, and dissolution. A well-crafted operating agreement helps prevent conflicts and ensures everyone is on the same page. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is necessary for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. You can get an EIN from the IRS, either online or by mail. If the process seems daunting, professional services like Northwest Registered Agent can handle it. Now, if you prefer a more hands-off approach, consider using a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent. They handle everything from filing forms to acting as your registered agent. Northwest Registered Agent offers a free package that includes the first year of registered agent service and a free operating agreement. While other registered agents charge $200, $1,000 for this service, forming your Florida LLC starts at $39 with this discount. Northwest Registered Agent is known for exceptional customer service and privacy protection. They'll also allow you to use their address as your business mailing address, which is awesome. Use the link in the description to get the Northwest LLC formation discount. Forming an LLC in Florida can be straightforward with the right guidance. Whether you choose to do it yourself or use a professional service, follow all the steps to ensure your LLC is set up correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and guides. And don't forget to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching!